All right, I'm not gonna spend too long on this intro because I'm sitting here watching fish blow up behind me, and I'm gonna get out here and see if I can get on some of them. But we're at Lake Grapevine. Let's see what we can get on, guys. Look at the stinking bait out here. My goodness. Definitely some buffaloes mixed in here. Here's one. Sandy? Yep. Little Sandy. Thought that might be sand bass out here schooling. Those are fun to catch too. And good to get your day started off with a fish and not a bunch of casting. Finally got something to bite here. Little smallie. No, little largie. Choked that little dark sleeper too. That's a little more like it. Nothing here. That was a cool take. Somebody with the kayak. Rookie. Tried really hard to lose that fish, didn't I?